Alright, welcome back to Supernova Games. My name is Patrick, and yeah, we defeated a big-ass rat, we retrieved the Neptune Eye, and we are about to go get our boat. So, basically, there's a couple things that we need to do here first and foremost, and one of which is we gotta go talk to these Vikings again. So we're going to come back over here to this cave, and we get to let them know just what in the world happened, and all that good stuff. You guys are great. I'll name my children after you. Oh, that's nice. Welcome back. The Vikings will never forget what you have done for us this day. As promised, the Enterprise is yours. Take it and sail forth, young heroes. May the wind guide you. You are the proud new owner of the Enterprise. Well, heck yeah, dude. That's what I like to see. Alright. So before I do anything, I want to actually visit this store, because we actually ended up getting quite a bit of money. So we have that. We have all that gold or gil or whatever. And now let's see. Okay. You know what? I don't need any of that right now. However, what I do want to get... No, we don't need rest. We're strong. We're powerful. We don't need any stinking sleep. Alright, so... let's go on ahead and grab... Alright, so we got 8 of those maiden kisses, just in case some dude decides he wants to turn us into a toad. And let's see. I don't foresee any need for any gold needles because we actually got 19. Let's go on ahead and make that an even 20. Why not? Let's buy a few of those. We're good there. 10. Alright. 42, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Perfect. Alright. Like I always say, I like a nice round even number. So, we are good. Alright. So the boat's ours. And you know what's even better than that? I'll tell you what's even better than that. Well, you know, let's see if anybody's rode us since our epic fight with that rat. Nobody. Alright. Cool. So what's really cool now is we actually no longer need to be tiny. And as much as I love having Butthole here and Dingus here, well, I don't know, I gotta think about this for a moment because we might actually, I don't know, I wanna test something here real quick. As a matter of fact, let's take old Butthole here and let's make him a warrior. Because I want him to be armed. Armed to the teeth. So we're going to re-equip old Butthole here. Oh, that's quite nice. Alright. So that takes him from 20 to 33. This takes him from 20 down to 17. Alright, so let's arm him with the Viking axe. And the spark dagger. Why not? Why not? Why not? Well, actually, I want to... Yeah, I don't think he needs that. Oh. Oh, there we go. Alright. Mithril helm, mithril armor, bracers. Awesome. Awesome. That's what I like. Alright, Dingus. Make you a... Let's make you a warrior. Why the hell not? Why the hell not? More capable blades I have, the better. Alright, Dingus. Let's see. Now, if it takes him down to 17, what happens if I equip... 40, okay, never mind. Alright, cool. Well, hold on. Let's give him that. Give him the shell armor, too. And, of course, some bracers. I like it a lot. But I feel like Butthole needs another piece here. Oh, ho. Yes. Because, as I've been calling him, he is actually Butthole the Destroyer. I love it a lot. And now, what I definitely want to see is he even going to be able to use any of this magic, but that's a topic for another day. That is a topic for another day. But there is something that I'm wondering, though. I'm going to toy around with this for just a moment here. Let's make him a red mage and see what happens. Yeah, that's a pretty fancy dodge you got there, Butthole. Can you use... Oh, you know what? I wonder. Hold on. Bring him back to being a warrior real quick. I want to take all that stuff off of him. He doesn't have it anyway. Okay, never mind. That's fine. As I said a few videos ago, because we're learning together here in a safe space. So we're going to put him back in these fancy duds here. And let's go on ahead and re-equip, if you will. Alright. Let's see. Serpent Sword. Hey, you know what? That's actually kind of dope, man. Alright, so let's give him that. And, you know... Did I give the Spark Dagger to... Where the hell did the Viking Axe go? You know what? That's fine. Mithril, bracers. I like it. This whole setup is actually going to be pretty swell, man. I think we got a good thing going on here. We're no longer mini. So we're no longer going to be tiny or anything like that, but we are still mighty and we are still gainfully employed. Alright. So let's get our butts on this boat here. Okay. So we're going to be doing some exploring. And the first place that I definitely want to go to, as according to this guide, is actually someplace that they call the Village of the Ancients, and apparently it's located in the southwestern corner of the map. Oh, but guess what? We're not going there just yet because we gotta fight. Alright. So, oh, he actually is very much able to use that, so we're going to do this. Oh, yes. And just for the heck of it, let's see if what we could actually do. Oh, Dash. Oh, you actually have a sword? Really? Well, that's spiffy. This old mer horse here. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Fantastic. Alright. Anyway, so, whoa. How do you... Oh, there we go. Huh. Okay. Alright. That's fine. No, go away. I have nothing you want. Well. Please, I beg you, don't kill me. Is there something I said? Huh. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we got any letters. Nope, never mind. That's cool. What's going on, man? Like, why are these people running from me like I did something wrong? Let's see. Let's talk to the little... Well, never mind. That's okay. Let's pillage. Let's see if we can find anything of interest here. I don't think there is, to be perfectly honest. Let's just go in here. Please, no, spare my child, my only child. I don't want your kid. You're not one of them, I'm sorry. I thought those soldiers came back again. They took my husband. They took him with the others to the desert to the west. They wore the seal of Argus. My husband, I hope they haven't done anything to him. Yeah, okay. That's fine. I hope they didn't either. Oh, it's way out there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Let's zoom in. Hey, look at that. Ooh, an ice staff. You know who could use that? Jim Bob. Perfect. Alright, cool. Let's continue our search, shall we? Settlement in the mountains west of Castle Argus is said to be inhabited by people who could see into the future. Well, that's pretty cool. Far to the west, across the desert, is a village of people who claim to be descendants of the ancients. Oh. Hey. What's up, guy? You want to know about crystals? Maybe someone in the village of the ancients to the west knows something about them. Oh, okay. There be a demon in the sands to the west. I've seen it. A tree, a giant tree that moves. Like Groot? Can't be talking about Groot. Groot's a good guy. How are you gonna call Groot a demon? Oh well. There's a hidden stairway inside the fireplace. We've stored weapons in the basement, but none of us are strong enough to use them. Please, take them. Take the weapons and save our town. Well? So you are the strangers. I'm the elder of Takul. You must have heard by now about the soldiers who pillaged our town. They suddenly appeared after the earthquake from the desert to the west. They took away our grain, our water, and any able-bodied townfolk. You've seen the results of their attack. There is nothing we can do. There is the abode of the Elder of Takul. Please, you must speak with him. Nah, I really just want this stuff here. Besides, we already talked to him. Serpent Sword. Kimpo Gi, huh? You know what? Huh, I wonder. Hey, dang it, you want another job? I've got a good one for you. Look at that. Alright. So, with that being... Okay. Kenpogi. There we go. But at what cost? Let's see. And of course the bracers, and that's it. Okay. Alright, cool. Alright. Dingus, bro. You now know the ways of the ninja, bruh. Oh, but yeah. Okay, that's also the other thing I wanted to look at. Let's see. Oh, we already got a serpent sword. But, what happens if I have 2 serpent swords? Slices and dices and makes curly fries. You gotta love it. Alright, let's see here. Got the great bow. Let's see. We're running low on iron arrows. But if I give you holy arrows, you drop by 4 points. And we can't afford that. Okay. Alright. Let's go on ahead and leave. We already talked to that guy. But what I'm really, really curious about is... What is this? Lamia scale. What is Lamia scale? Let's see, where is... Inflicts confusion. Okay. Now, why can't I use the Viking axe anymore? Are you kidding me? I can't use it anymore? Is it because of my dapper appearance? That's probably what it is. I'm just too dapper for a Viking axe. Alright, so... looks like we can't go any further. And I guess this town is... Oh, we were already here. That's where we saw that little kid. Okay. So... If I'm not mistaken here, I guess that circular piece of land all the way to the west there is where we're supposed to go, so I guess we're done in Tackle. Do. Oh, look. Tornado monsters. How awesome. Alright. There we go. Hey, you know what will actually work on these guys? Absolutely nothing, because I can't do anything with it. Alright, Alright, bro. Let's see what you can do, bruh. Oh, there we go. Oh god, that... Hey, there we go. Let's see what all we can do here. Alright, so we got Blizzard coming up. Nicely done. Okay, let's see what this Blizzara could do. Nice. Alright, that's what I like to see. I am quite pleased with those results. I kind of feel like... I need Akon and the Lonely Island here. If you know, you know. Let's see. I'm gonna poison him. I just kind of feel ruthless right now, you know what I mean? Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we should probably cure. There we go. Take care of that. Retaliate. There we go. I don't know what Retaliate just did, but it looked kind of cool. Oh man, I missed. But that's okay, this won't. There we go. Like a good counterattack. There we go. See what our guys are capable of doing here. I don't know how I feel about Dingus being a monk. You know what I mean? I mean, he did just gain a level, but let's go on ahead and take or change him back. I'm not feeling this. I'm not feeling this at all. So let's make him a red mage too. No, no. He needs to be a warrior. Because I want him to wield that axe. There we go. That's what I like. Alright, cool. Let's give him the Viking axe. Let's give him that. Definitely the spark dagger. Mithril, bracers. There we go. And does he still have his magic? If he doesn't, he doesn't. That's fine. It's fine. Alright, let's see what I can do up here. Because we need to go to the Ancients. And it's all the way around the other side, so... Really curious to see what this axe could do. Damn. I like that. I like that a lot. Definitely gonna have to heal Butthole here. Most definitely gonna have to heal Butthole. Look at those boots, man. Dude looks all stylish and junk. Nicely done, Butthole. Alright, let's get you healed. There we go. And you know, I feel like I need to save this. There we go. Alright, let's continue on. But I do, though. I kind of feel like there's a missed opportunity to have the Lonely Island on the boat here with us. Sailing on the deep blue sea. Swim trunks and our flippy floppies. There you go, slap that horse like it owes you money, man. Good God. I like this combination that Butthole's got going on here. Same thing with Dingus, holy shit. Good job, guys. Yay, job level increased. Alright, cool. Alright. Yep, there's... Wait a tick. Is this... Castle Argus. Alright. Let's see. Need you back up to par. What is this? Mallet. Shrinks and unshrinks things. Or shrinks and unshrinks target. Guys, I think I have a new toy we could play with in the next battle. Actually, I'll probably want to save that for the next boss level. That'd be hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. Alright, let's go in this castle here. Let's see. I kind of feel like... I just want to check this place out, man. I don't even know if we're even supposed to be here yet, to be honest. Okay. Are there any discolorations or cracks or anything like that? Nope, I don't see anything. Alright, well... we didn't actually fully explore, if you catch what I mean. Let's see. I don't see any spark... Oh. Really? Okay. Butthole, what the hell did you just find, dude? Alright, let's check this out. Come on, Dash. Oh. 1,000 gil. Another 1,000 gil. 3,000 gil, dude. That's awesome. We just robbed this place blind. Maybe I'm in the wrong class here. 100 gil. 1,500 gil. Another 1,000. 1,000. 100. Another 1,000. Jesus Christ, how much did I walk out of here with? Now we have almost 12,000. Dude, yes. Good job. Alright, let's, I guess let's go this way. Since we already started our ascent here. Go that way or up here? That way, up here. Okay. I guess, I guess we're going that way. Let's see. Let's go all the way over here. Maybe. Door's locked. Well, dingus, you have an axe. You could have broke the door down. Yeah, let's go in here. Where we were just at. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. I guess let's go up here. Check this out. Let's see. What do we got going here? Perhaps we should walk around the table like this. Dash, what do you have? What do you think? There's no one here. Very unwise strategic decision, bruh. Maybe they were out pillaging villages like like good soldiers of doom. Yeah, I wonder where these guys are at. Bomb fragment? Nice. And an Antarctic wind. You know what? I really like those Antarctic winds, man. They really kind of tie a fight together if you yeah. You know. All right. Nothing happens. Okay. Is there anything over here? No? Same damn thing. All right. I guess, I mean, I don't see any sparklies. All right. I guess there's nobody. I guess there's no one here. I mean, do we just explore? I don't know. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna go ahead and save here. And yeah. Let's go on ahead and call this one good. And in the next, I guess, next time we'll, explore a little bit further and see what's going on here with this castle and why there wasn't anybody here. And maybe, if we're lucky, we might stumble across, I don't know, we'll stumble across where we were originally heading. But this actually has me a little bit intrigued now. But anyway, if you like what you see, go on ahead and like and subscribe. It helps me keep this channel going. It definitely helps the channel be bigger than what I would like for it to be. I mean, I want to see good things happen here. So like it, subscribe it, tell your friends, show your friends. Maybe they'll like and subscribe. And it just kind of builds and blossoms. And yeah. All right, guys. You guys take it easy, man. Later.